let's hop to it.
Good morning, everybody. We are on a utility today, but I am not digging it. I am laying it with Frank. He's over there started for free. Tyler's digging the utility, so we got to get pipe laid. Let's go. So since we only got one saw and one can of glue, I'm going to shovel for Tyler. Go straight in. That would be nice. Oh yeah, that's it. Oh yeah, that's gonna line up great. I'm gonna need you to hold the middle and bend that up. So the stub out worked out great. I get my pipe cleaned up. Tyler's headed to dig the water line trench. Oh, look at Frank's jukes. And then he's headed to dig the sewer and the power. I meant sewer and storm. He's going to dig the water, sewer, and storm. Woo! So I just realized I'm probably holding like $100 in my hand right now. This stuff has gotten expensive. Water line and tracer wire are on. All the way now to the sewer and storm. So when there's two hookups here, one storm, one sewer, sometimes on these cans, these clean out cans, these lids get switched. So you don't want a bunch of sewer going into your storm line. They tend to not like that. So we're gonna tap test it. So how we tap test it was we go to a manhole lid, and like the sewer manhole lid, and we'll tap it, listen for an echo inside that clean out. And then obviously, bam, there's our sewer, and that's confirmed that that's our sewer, and we'll hook up to it. Doesn't take that long. Good? Yeah. All right, because where this storm is located, we got to use a two-way to bring it down, make it flow into our pipe right there, because the flow's coming from that direction there and that direction around here. So it's going to meet up right there somewheres and head down that way. Well, folks, we didn't pass inspection. He didn't like my idea right there. And even though it's directional, but I guess they can't be running into each other, we got to do the normal, add 2 T's right here, one for the downspout, one coming out, and then a 20-foot stick of pipe or so all the way to that T laying down right there. But we're gonna get this one handled. I don't know if where Tyler's at, I mean, I know where Tyler's at, but I don't know if that one passed inspection or not, because the storm's not done. Because like I said in my last video, we gotta wait for gravel. But he's digging the storm now, so I don't know what's going on. I am just, because it kind of bums me out that we didn't pass inspections. I don't like not passing inspections. All right, so I had to go shovel for Tyler for a little bit on that other storm. He just dug it anyway, whether we get rock or not, so we can try to get some kind of inspection. I don't know, we don't know if that one passed it yet or not, so yeah, about that.
Pretty hungry.
Yeah, pretty hungry. But, so when I was shoveling for him, Frank got the sewer all done up. Now we're working on the storm. That's basically how they like to see it. See the little patch job right there from where we had our two-way. So that's gonna do it for us today, ladies and gentlemen. Quick video of me doing of us doing a utility. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you guys next time.